Alright, guys, I'm gonna start working on the bigger Japanese axe. It appears to be a timber axe. I couldn't find the exact name as to what they call these bigger ones. I will definitely put like a mini video of the comparison between the two, the one that I did and this one, so you guys see the difference in between how, big it is. So let's get to it. Alright, got that edge clean, both sides. Got a nice edge line, you can see right here. Now we got a bevel in there, nice and clean on both sides. Now she's kind of sharp now, not too sharp. It is meant to cut timber and whatnot, but it is nice. So now I'm just gonna sand it down to just get this grime off and all those years of use and abuse off, and just re-oil it and collect it. Since it's really solid still, I don't want to mess with it at all. So I'm done with the whole handle. It's nice and silky smooth. Looks pretty nice. It's a big boy for sure. It's pretty heavy. It's looking really good. So now on this one I'm not gonna do any stain. I'm just gonna oil it and just call it good. And it's nice and silky. So you can see it right there. Alright, it's looking really good. Awesome. Alright, this is looking really good. And here she is. Now, just let it dry. And she is good. Yep. At least it does his job. Really good too. It works.